guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I just got home from Walmart and I spent $105. I'm going to show you everything I got. So first up, I got these zucchini. By the way, it's Monday. We went camping last weekend. We were supposed to leave Thursday, but it was a rain out, so we left Friday early morning and went camping Friday, Saturday, and half the day Sunday. So I didn't get to go to the grocery store, which is why there was no grocery haul last weekend. So this will probably go up Tuesday or Wednesday. But anyways, just wanted to clear that up in case you were confused. So I got a couple zucchini because I'm going to do the stuffed zucchini boats one night for dinner this week. For Matt and I got a cucumber for salads, some bananas, because Grady's on another banana kick where he wants a banana a day. I got a cantaloupe, I got some kiwis, I got about 1.5 pounds of cherries, some Wild Wonder tomatoes, which I do on salads and I also roast them. I got a small thing of the Natural Bliss sweet creamer because I have not had a chance to get back to BJ's, and when I go to BJ's I'll get the big one of this. I got the Near East long grain and wild rice box to do as a side one night. Some of the Stonyfield organic yogurt smoothies. Again, another item I get at BJ's, but I just have not gotten the chance to get there yet. Hopefully tomorrow or the next day. I got some Welch's Tangy Fruit snacks. Some of the Simply Fruit Punch all natural fruit punch juice. Some bow tie pasta for a BLT pasta salad. I have a great recipe on that. I'll link it below. And then some ditalini for just to have because I go through a lot of that as well. I got 3 of the Pure Leaf teas. They were on sale for like 97 cents, I think. So I just got a few to throw in Matt's lunches. A tea and lemonade, a pomegranate, and then a mint tea. I got Grady's lower sugar chocolate chip granola bars. Some of the Cape Cod kettle cooked white cheddar sour cream wave chips. These are really good. Some Cheetos. Some organic green onions because I want to do enchiladas this week. I got some steamer bag of green beans, some Cracker Barrel jalapeno cheddar cheese sticks for Matt, Swiss cheese for some sandwiches this week, some Colby Monterey jack cheese sticks for Matt. I got about 3/4 pound of the Prima Della brand buffalo chicken. These I am very excited to share with you guys. So our friend, he's pretty much like our best friend, Justin. My husband and Justin have been friends since they were 5 years old. Anyways, he comes over pretty much every Friday for dinner. It's just a thing. We live very close to him now. So we just have him come over every Friday after work. And him and Matt work together too, by the way. But anyways, he has been raving about this, and he has really good taste in food in general. And he's been raving specifically about this. I had never even looked twice at these before. Just never thought anything of them. But he always is raving about this particular flavor, the Baja Citrus. You actually add olive oil to it and water and vinegar, and you marinate your meat. Anyways, I went to Walmart to get one of these, and I noticed they had probably about 20 varieties, different flavors. Legit, these were the only 3 in this flavor. Every other box, like row of boxes, was pretty much full, and this one I had to like literally stand up and climb the shelf to reach it. There were 3 left, so I'm assuming that has to mean something. And again, he has really good taste. So they were 98 cents. I had full confidence in them, which is why I got all 3. And again, they were the last 3 left, so I will let you guys know how these are because I do plan to do them this week for dinner, maybe even tomorrow if I can thaw some chicken thighs. But anyways, I wanted to share this specific flavor. He said Baja Citrus is the best. So very excited about those. I got my flour tortillas to do beef enchiladas. I do the recipe all the time right off the can of the Old El Paso, the red enchilada sauce. It's tried and true. It's delicious. So I grabbed those. I got some sun-dried tomato basil wraps. These guys, I get a lot of questions about these wraps. I never have a problem finding them. Apparently other people can't really find them, which really stinks because they're good. I find them in the bread aisle. I find them sometimes near the deli area. But yes, I got these for some wraps. I got some Pepperidge Farm rye pumpernickel swirl bread. Matt loves this. Just wanted to do something a little different because I've been eating that Nature's Own bread for weeks, which I love, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit for his lunches. I think I said green beans already. Got a bunch of romaine hearts for salads and different recipes. My normal large cage-free brown eggs. Some Parents' Choice. These are the sensitive baby wipes. I went through like a whole pack of these camping with our dirty hands and just anything, you know, these are just so good. I can't tell you guys enough how good these wipes are if you are somebody, not even just for diapers, for just in general, you want to just have a quick wipe down, clean your hands, keep them in your car, your kids are dirty, whatever. These are so good. I got some Magic Hat number 9, which is a local-ish brewery. We are not far from the Vermont border, so it's a really good beer. I don't even drink beer, but everybody I know who drinks beer loves this. So I got that just to have in the house when people come over. Some grape, lower sugar, the G2 Gatorade. I think that's everything, guys. And I'm going to share with you now my meal plan for the week. Okay, guys, so my meal plan for this week that we are currently in. Again, this haul is late because I was out of town last weekend. So Sunday the 29th, Sunday being yesterday, I'm filming this Monday. I just put a line through it because we just kind of made a mishmash of a bunch of stuff yesterday. So yesterday is over. Tonight, Monday, I'm doing beef enchiladas with the Spanish rice. Let me go ahead really quick and grab that enchilada sauce and show you guys what recipe I use because it is foolproof. It is so easy and delicious. Alright, so whenever I make my enchiladas, I always use this Old El Paso mild red enchilada sauce. And the recipe I use is right here. It is so easy. I've been doing it for years. Every time I make this, when friends or family come over, they cannot believe it's like 6 ingredients for the whole dinner. It is amazing, foolproof, so good. Anybody could do it. Highly recommend this if you like enchiladas, but you've maybe been a little bit intimidated to make them. Very easy, guys. And then obviously you'll need the chopped chilies. So whenever I make, when I know I'm going to be making this, I always buy both. And then this is the Spanish rice I use. Obviously, if you make homemade Spanish rice from scratch, that is definitely going to be better. But this is what I use just because I like things easy, quick. Tonight we actually have therapy for my son. And even though I have to do cooking, this is actually really easy. Even though you have to, you know, assemble the enchiladas and everything, it's really very easy. So I use this Spanish rice. It is very, very good for a boxed rice. And then I just use these, the Muir Glen diced tomatoes in here. And all this together is just really, really good. So that is what I'm doing tonight. Tomorrow I am doing my stuffed zucchini boats. I have a full recipe on these. I will link it down below. I have some ground turkey in the freezer I'm going to thaw out, and then I will stuff the zucchini with it. I'm going to do the wild rice that I got in today's haul, the Near East brand. I'm going to make that, and then I'll just do some sauteed or roasted veggies on the side. Wednesday, I'm going to try out that Baja chicken marinade on the grill. I have some legs and thighs that I'm going to thaw out tomorrow on Tuesday to be ready for Wednesday to get marinated all day. And I'm going to do some roasted veggies and potatoes as well. Thursday, we're going to do quick dinner, burgers and hot dogs on the grill with some corn on the cob. And then I'm going to make my loaded potato salad. I have a video on this. It is very good, and I will link it below. Friday, we're going to do breakfast for dinner because my friend Kira is coming over for the day. So I need something really easy that I can make for breakfast. So I'm going to do French toast. I might switch it out and do pancakes, but either French toast or pancakes. I'm going to do my hash brown casserole, which I have a video on. I'll link it in the description box below. And then some kind of cut up fruit. Saturday is my brother's 30th birthday. It's his actual birthday. So we're doing like a big family party at my mom's house. And I have to make a few things probably Saturday early in the morning, since Friday I'll be with Kira all day. But anyways, this is the meal plan for the week. I think there'll be another grocery haul, probably pretty small, going up on Friday morning. I'm not really sure yet, guys. It's kind of messed up, you know, from the week. But anyways, this is what I'm cooking this week. And I continually get questions on this planner. It is a Carrie L meal planner. I will link below the video I have on this planner. I always have a discount code through Carrie L. She also has the mini planners, the mini meal planners, lots of great things on her site. And I have a permanent discount code there, which is linked in the description box of every single video that I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.